Historically and even recently, and please excuse the French, there's a lot of crap content saying how physicians are at the top of the healthcare hierarchy, how physicians are better and higher than all other healthcare professionals. As a physician myself, let me dispel that thought and remind you yet again that physicians are just members. We are just equal members of the healthcare team. And we are no better, we are not higher than any other healthcare professional. We are equal to nurses, we are equal to medical technologists, equal to pharmacists, equal to radiologic technologists, and so on. Because physicians are just part of a large, bustling healthcare team, an ecosystem, if you will. We have roles and functions that other healthcare professionals do not do, but at the same time, other healthcare professionals, nurses, medtechs, etc., do things and have responsibilities that we, medical doctors, cannot and will not do. So we are co-equals. We are part of the same team. And members of a team are not structured around a hierarchy, but rather they coexist with each other. The ultimate goal being the care of the patient.